Welcome to the track of EcoStruxure machine and some customer success story. We are going to spend 30 minutes together. And about myself, I'm Christophe AVRAIN. I have been working for industrial automation for the last 14 years. And I have a background of electrical automation, computer science, and I have been looking to these domains, and I love it. And my passion, I'm motivated always to visit the customers and listen the challenges. And those challenges need to find solution. Let's see how the digital transformation bring operational efficiency much faster for the machine builder. Currently, when the machine maker wants to build a machine, he needs 8 weeks to build a machine from the purchase order when he received from the end customer. We see that the trend today, we need 4 weeks for the machine builder to stay competitive. The time to market to build a machine has been reduced by 50% for a machine builder to stay competitive. The second aspect is about optimizing use of expertise. We have the mix of generation of young and older people. Then the technology has been driving very fast on the last 20 years. Means the expertise of the know-how need even faster know-how by 50% can be fully optimized. And then the third pillar is about improving productivity. Productivity can be improved by the current lean process that you have already implemented into your site. But it can be as well implemented through manpower, energy, and material. And the last piece is about reduction of machine downtime. Reduction machine downtime is maintenance, commissioning. When we are spending too much time of searching for information, looking for papers, looking for how to debug this programming, which has been in ladder, has been in C++, and so on. So means that reduction machine downtime can be reduced by 50%. Those can be answered, but to improve, you can use different resources. And your resources is about people, is about the materials, and is about the energy. And you can be more agile by making faster decisions. You can be more agile today, a mobile device. Anytime, anywhere, you can act, you can see, and you can recommend. And through a cloud offer. And then create new digital opportunities. This is where I will show you some customer success story. And create new digital opportunities is around analytics, where you need to get preventive analytics, avoid safety injury to be at 0% for our people. If I go to EcoStruxure machine, which you have seen serving industry and market. As you have seen, connected products, edge control, analytics services, but I want to focus as well the end-to-end cybersecurity and as well the cloud and or on-premise. It's even more important, the end-to-end connection for EcoStruxure machine. If I focus on EcoStruxure machine, It's a smart machine, nothing new. On a smart machine is to empower the machine builder and the end user at every level. Every level at the device able to control, measure, and to be precise. So means at the connected products, we have offer which can be directly connected to the IT without any gateway. So it's a standalone connected products. Then at the edge control, what we are putting is industry Internet of Things, IoT ready. So this IoT ready solution for Schneider Electric is based on Ethernet and OPC UA. OPC UA is as well going to improve for real-time data exchange. OPC UA TSN is coming. And it allows to be the integration between the OT and the IT. And then the last layers is about analytics and services, where we can see there is much more seamless integration on the software at the machine standalone to a multiple machine connection for a single production line. What does it mean for Schneider Electric? And what we have very wide offers that you have seen before the augmented reality. But if I go through quickly connected products, Proface HMI, then we have our signaling, sensor, variable speed drive, safety, motion control, wireless offer. The second layer on edge control, we have industrial PC, IoT box, PLC, and high-performance controller. And the third layer, analytics and services, where we see that we have the AVIVA software, EcoStruxure machine advisor, augmented reality, EcoStruxure mobile operator advisor, and EcoStruxure Secure Connect advisor. We can achieve greater operational efficiency. EcoStruxure machine encompasses key technologies from the product connected to the edge control, on-premise using cloud technology and to provide analytics and digital services. And the list on the benefits through the whole machine life cycle, as early mentioned this morning, start from the design in engineering. Smart design, smart simulation at early stage can reduce up to 30% reduction time to market. Smart commissioning and operation, where our people are looking for faster information to avoid downtime, which is costing to the end user. Then list maintenance and services. Smart maintenance and smart services can be improved up to 50% time savings. I'm going to go through some customer success story, focusing more on smart maintenance and smart services. How does this can happen? And let's see one video.
When my daughter asks me what I do at work, I'm really proud to say that we're striving to make millions of people's lives better. My name is Julian Ulich. I'm CEO of N-Trade worldwide. At N-Trade, we believe that waste is one of the major challenges of the 21st century, and it needs innovative technology to convert that waste into clean electricity, heating and cooling right on site. So the challenge we brought to Schneider Electric was how to build an integrated system that is secure to operate anywhere in the world, that can be maintained by simple maintenance person. Schneider Electric offered the opportunity to integrate multiple products into our services. So we have a hardware level that's on the ground in automation using Modicon systems to actually automate the system and the system clusters on site. And we don't see that there's another company right now in the world that can offer this flexibility of services. The Internet of Things is the foundation of our business model. So now I'm actually able to run an entire global utility from my mobile phone. The remote management of a global decentralized utility would not be possible without the software products of EcoStruxure. Our major achievement in working with Schneider Electric is finding a global partner that understands our vision, that shares our vision of bringing clean electricity, heating and cooling as efficiently as possible to millions of people all over the globe.
N-Trade is a machine builder making micro power plants in containers. As you have seen in the video, initially N-Trade planned selling its micro power plants on a different business model. They decided to shift of selling containers to selling their energy output. It means before N-Trade was building a container, and now they were selling container, and now they are selling energy output and to deliver power. Means the customer they are selling the different values is about how much power I deliver through my containers. This has been possible by having a software integration of Schneider Electric, because it allows to get all the different containers to know at anywhere, at any time in the world, where they have more than 250 containers from the headquarters in Liverpool and as well from 2 different service locations. They are able to detect and repair and send the spare parts from the service center to the right location on time. So it means the service departments are still existing, but the service departments are providing support faster to the 250 containers to deliver energy output, to deliver power. And by bringing this, it allows N-Trade to become more industry IoT, and as well, by bringing the solution together, the CEO of N-Trade said, thanks to our partnership with Schneider Electric, we can grow and still remain a lean company focused on research and development. 3 problems were solved. Remote management. Focus now more on R&D. And the list, increase customer demand. The next customer success story of EcoStruxure machine, which is smart maintenance and smart services, including augmented reality. The customer is SPG packaging system. SPG packaging system is famous in the world of building packaging machines, and where they need also they look at the hardware agnostic and they wanted to improve the operational of the machine. So they realized an effective direction from predictive maintenance into a predictive maintenance model. So let's watch one video.
The digital service platform shows the remote connectivity possibilities that are available in the Schneider Electric world. SPG Packaging Systems, based in Hilden, Germany, is a global enterprise, and 85% of our strapping and wrapping machines are exported outside of Germany. Our customer demand that we build equipment with controllers and drives from several manufacturers, even though we have decided on Schneider Electric as a standard.
At Schneider Electric, we are working on an offer called EcoStruxure Machine Advisor to enable digital and connected services for machines. It includes Track, Monitor, and Fix. Track is a repository service for accessing machine information from a web portal. Monitor delivers insights and information about machines' health and performance thanks to data analytics. And Fix is empowering operators using augmented reality to maintain the machine.
At SPG Packaging Systems, we constantly review ways to improve service delivery and reduce the total cost of ownership to our customers. Reducing downtime is the driving force that led us in the direction of IIoT and OEE. The challenge is to revolutionize our service performance and stop the break, fix, and preventative maintenance mindset and help our customers to embrace a predictive maintenance model. Schneider Electric is providing the tools to help us realize and analyze real-time data and support the transition from supplier to consultant. We'll be able to offer financial savings, increase uptime, and improve customer satisfaction. At SPG Packaging Systems, we know that the digital service platform and OEE monitoring is the right step in the right direction. And these solutions will be embedded into the way we market, sell, build, and support our equipment now and in the future. Schneider Electric collaborates with us, so we can develop solutions together, and we are very impressed with the way that they are creating the interface to make the digital transition. They are helping us to help our customers.
So SPG Packaging wanted to provide the best after-sales services and improve the delivery. This is possible of implementing, of understanding their challenges. It's almost similar that you can see on this SPG packaging machine. It's a simple machine. It's a machine just wrapping the pallets. How a machine builder moving from a wrapping machine, moving into the digital information, which allow to provide digital service platforms and better services. The challenge was, of course, not to reduce the total cost of ownership. Customers never want to pay more money with having digital platform. So one of the solutions that we see and when we discuss with them is when you have a breakdown of the machine, imagine you have 1,000 machines installed. You need at least 3 service engineers per machine to know this simple machine. In the word for SPG packaging means you need to know 3,000 service engineers need to know how to repair this machine. 3,000 service engineers, it's my business for me to improve the services after service. By implementing a digital platform, it allows the service engineer, thanks to EcoStruxure Machine Advisor, track, monitor, and fix. I can track my machine anywhere, anytime. I can monitor what is happening. I can get exactly the electrical drawings, architectures of this particular machine located in Busan, located in anywhere. And then fix, as you have seen, is more on augmented reality, is already to fix on-site or on remote the problems of the machine. As well, we have Modicon PLC, and then we have some variable speed drive and HMI, and which allow to improve as well on the service maintenance. What to say in they moved before of selling simple machine, now they are selling to be a consultancy by reducing the total cost of ownership. Before, the customer was saying SPG packaging as a pure machine maker. Now they see SPG packaging as a consultant and knows how to do service repair on site at a remote to all his service engineer. The service department said Schneider Electric is closely collaborating with our technical team and has helped us to understand the challenges to be faced, the solution, and the benefits can be shared with our customers. 3 problems were solved. Number 1, improve service delivery. Number 2, implementation of predictive model. And number 3, reduce total cost of ownership.
Bühler, with the support of its partner Schneider Electric, is already exploring the potential of augmented reality, learning about both its requirements and the benefits it can bring to production processes within the company.
The Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 offer us the opportunity to secure our company's long-term future and provide more attractive jobs. With Use Your Own Device and augmented reality, we want to provide useful, targeted production information to users where and when they need it.
Schneider Electric is supporting Bühler on its first journey into digital transformation. This includes visualization of production data on mobile devices. Each application is customized and adapted to the environment and the machine to suit customer needs. For Bühler, we worked closely with them to develop an EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor project for its production lines. The new technology is helpful and sensible.
At Schneider Electric, we have been very successful in supplying globally electrical components for Bühler machines and systems. Now with EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor, we are entering a new field of software services, and we believe they will produce new business models for Bühler.
At Bühler AG, we see the major benefit of augmented reality as the ability to provide customized information to every user based upon his or her needs. Individualized content can be entered into the system daily or even for each order and displayed on the user's terminal. The speed of the resulting information displayed on the terminal is greater than what we could previously achieve using routing slips or other paper or electronic records. One completely new aspect of this technology is its interactivity. This enables users to access real-time system process data or documents such as material data safety sheets, production checklists, or information for visitors, all on an as-needed basis.
By implementing pilot projects to bring digital information to the employees on their mobile devices, here Schneider Electric and Bühler are getting new insight on the potential of augmented reality with EcoStruxure, Augmented Operator Advisor. The Internet of Things has arrived in Bühler, and it will continue to expand in the months and years to come, always in line with the needs of man and machine.
So Bühler is one of the largest food machinery manufacturers in China and within Asia. The major business is on grain processing, food processing, and advanced materials. So the manufacturing plant of China are exporting to Africa, to Southeast Asia, and as well to mainland China. As you can see on this picture, this machine is advanced complex machine. And when they told us that they have 6 production lines and they want to be very flexible by the end customer demand. They want to move to the IoT, but being able to provide user interface unique for each of their customers. By implementing augmented reality, you are able to implement the point of interest of the machine, especially when you are in a food processing, when there is very fast change of the batch, very fast change of the recipe, and as well you need a very high standard of the safety. The information of the KPI of the machine is different from a production line A versus a production line B versus a production line C, which means we have been 3 problems has been solved with augmented reality to Bühler. Number 1, interactivity customized for each user when you are using your mobile device based on your username and password. Second one, more attractive jobs. Bühler now is able to attract new jobs into the company and even influencing the end user to attract new jobs. Third, provide useful targeted production information to the users. After the food machinery, we go for a coffee capsule. Somic. Somic is known for this coffee capsule for when you are taking coffee capsule at home or at office. What has been work on this, the challenge of Somic, it was about the footprint and the performance of the machine. They wanted to reduce the size of the machine, but they were taking the machine type 232, comparable with the machine type 424, and after they implemented the solution, the machine type 232 is even more performance. How is possible? Before they were using 70 variable speed drive. And those 70 variable speed drive we have integrated with a motion control, which means inside the electrical cabinet, 70 variable speed drive become one power supply. This is how you can reduce corrective actions. You can by 50%. And they are still able to produce more than 120 folding box per minute. So the CEO of Somic said, Schneider Electric have been the foundation of our modular system and engineering concept. 3 problems were solved. Number 1 problem, 50% improvement of performance, 90% less saving on electrical cabinets, and third, 40% lower on energy consumption. Leadermark Machinery is a Taiwan company established in 1972. It's an old company, and where they are wood machine maker, 4-side molding, exporting machine everywhere in the world. And as you may know, woodworking industry is still much more not yet digital, is purely computerized environment. They challenged Schneider Electric, said, we want to become digital. We want to be ahead of the future. We decided to participate to some wood machinery exhibition in Indonesia, in Canada, in Taiwan, and in China. With them, jointly, we make some survey, understanding the challenges they have of using wood machinery and why Leadermark Machinery was not sufficient for them as end user. Then we came back to the headquarters in Taiwan, we did some brainstorming, and finally we have implemented on the top EcoStruxure machine advisor, track, monitor, and fix, which allows them to reduce maintenance operation up to 50%. And it allows them to provide flexible machine and to provide higher accuracy on the pressure when the wood getting inside the machine. The president of Leadermark said, I believe EcoStruxure machine is the future, providing better services such as preventive maintenance, alarm monitoring, tooling usage, and IoT. 3 problems were solved: service improvement, tooling usage, and gain on productivity. Junqiao Machinery. Junqiao Machinery is on the business with more than 30-40 years. So they are providing machine wide range of sanders, from light to heavy sanders, coming from the wood or metal. So one of the challenge for Junqiao Machinery is to provide the same service level when you have heavy duty sanders versus light duty sanders at the production line. They have a very deep knowledge of mechanical knowledge, kind of furnishing, deburring, polishing, calibrating, stock removal, oxide skin removal, deburring parts, and more. It means that Junqiao Machinery in Taiwan are very deep knowledge on mechanical. And then what we help them. It was on EcoStruxure Machine Advisor with a solution of Schneider Electric, more on providing the right indicators coming from the mechanical departments to able to the electrical maintenance and service engineer to fix, repair the machine and to avoid any problem and to improve to the next level. General manager said, we introduce Schneider Electric machine to end user and provide better services with cloud applications. Three problems was solved. 50% improvement in productivity, 50% improvement in maintenance, and early diagnosis. Schneider Electric is in industrial automation and IIoT partner. As you know, we have a very wide offer of connected products, the edge control analytics, which combine with the whole software or the entire full line of automation, from space of machine, of rotating machine, filling machine, conveyor machine, even coffee capsule machine, any machine we have until to the discrete manufacturing as example. Schneider Electric developed the IoT platform based to open and simplified connectivity through open standards and cloud-based architecture or on-premise. That allow Schneider Electric to have a very extensive networks of partners. The partners are able to customize the architecture and the analytics offer at the pain point and the application of the customer. And we are able, our expertise and our technology has given us deep knowledge of understanding of what is happening on one particular application. And to solve specific problems, needs such as OEE, TCO, root cause analysis, or even audit, and more. I'm open for individual questions. Thank you very much, and I enjoy for you to visit Schneider Electric solution. Thank you very much. Arigato.